This firewood rack is really convenient for keeping wood very nearby to where you're going to use it. For instance, this one is right by the back door, so you could just pop out whenever you needed to grab some wood. And this particular one is great quality. I love that it comes with this carrier that you can load up, which makes it so much easier to carry the wood around, whether you are stacking wood onto the rack or you're bringing some inside. I was pretty impressed that it can hold over 2,500 pounds, which means you can never really overload it, and it has those chains across the top that will ensure that the sides never bow out and break. The feet on it are adjustable, so even if you put it on a piece of ground that is a little bit uneven, you can adjust those feet to make sure that it doesn't rock back and forth and that it's nice and stable. And it was fairly easy to put together. It took me about a half an hour to do. It comes with all of the hardware and tools that you will need to put it together, as well as easy to follow instructions that walk you through how to do it step by step. But basically you just slide some pieces into place and tighten it with screws. And I love this little touch. All of the feet have plastic on the bottom so they won't scratch up your deck. Overall, it's very well made, so I know you're gonna like it.